In this video I will be showing you 3 tips for making your prints from looking like this to looking like this. So sit back and relax and let's start. In this process we will print 2 miniature flower pots, one with the BambuStudio default settings and the other with just 3 simple settings which will improve the quality of the print. Let's start up with the default settings print. Okay, the print doesn't look bad but neither good. Let's see what went wrong. If we go to preview and tick travel, we can see that the printer does a lot of filling moves, which lead to the nozzle closing the outer wall multiple times on every layer. How can we solve this? It's simple, just turn on advanced settings and scroll all the way down in the quality section and then tick avoid closing wall. This setting prevents the printer from closing the outer wall if possible. Tip number 2. For an even better looking print, go over to the Quality tab again, to the Order of Walls setting, and select the Outer Inner option. This setting will make the printer print the outer wall first, and the inner one second, resulting in a way better looking print. This setting is very good for flower pots and other designs like this. Tip number 3. For this tip, go to Strength tab and to the top surface pattern, and select concentric. This will result in a way more beautiful looking pattern.